Welcome back to the Flying Caveman channel. Today we're in Amman, Jordan. It's 30 July, stayed until the 31st. This is the beautiful Amman Marriott. Quick picture from the outside if you arrive at night. Here's a daytime view, and this is the car that picked us up at the airport. They certainly did treat me right. Alright, this is the lobby at the Amman Marriott. Check-in counter inside the front door. Got a little tour and taxi stand over here. Seating area down here. Chandelier. Another seating area here. Go up here to the, I believe, third floor. Got a coffee shop. Restaurants are back here. At the Villa Terrace. The terrazza and the villa are both Mediterranean themed. The food looked very good. The place was always full, so it looks like everybody was enjoying their time there. If you're going to stay there, this is where they serve the breakfast buffet also, so check it out. It's the library steakhouse. I was in there last night. I've got a separate video of the library and cigar bar steakhouse, but to just keep this video short, here's just a couple of stock pictures from the Marriott site to let you know what it looks like. Over here is Champion's Tavern. I'm going to have a burger for lunch in there. And out here, if you're looking for some place to have an adult beverage and a couple of burgers, bowl of nachos, sit down with your friends and watch a football game, this place is perfect. And out here is the pool. People out here, and a lot of times they don't want to be videoed, so I'm not going to go out. But the pool's nice. Had some wine last night. It was very good. They've got nice wines. The steaks were awesome too. Seating area, piano over there. Another seating area here, and then the lobby where I came in is down there. Okay, we're here at the Amman Marriott, Amman, Jordan. This is room 723. Pretty good closet space. Got more room over here. We've got a safe. It's not big enough for a laptop. Maybe if you have a laptop or a small laptop or a tablet. In the room here, got a nice dresser here. There's a coffee set up there in that top left drawer. Coffee and tea is provided complimentary. If you drink or eat anything else out of the snack bar or mini fridge, you will get charged for it and you will pay hotel prices. Drawer, a couple drawers underneath. On the right there is the mini fridge. Contains the mini bar. There was a can of Pringles, a small can of peanuts, some crackers, and some health bar kind of things. Moving over here, you've got your sparkling water, your fruit juices, the liquors. And then moving on to the main part of the refrigerator, you've got your sodas and a couple of selections of beer there on the right, some chocolates up on top, and Red Bull on the left. Got a nice sized TV up here. Plenty of space to put your stuff. Got your luggage over here. Nice big king-size bed. end tables on each side. The lighting is very nice at night. The lamps work very well. Seating for two over here. You got some water. Telephone over here beside the bed. It's pretty standard. And then over here, got a nice desk set up. Got my computer set up there. You can see it works quite well. One thing I don't like is the glass top on the desk, because the optical mouse never works on that. Fortunately, I've got my trackpad with me for my MacBook. Got a real good view outside here. Let me walk over and open up the curtains and show you. I think we can see the pool off to the left. Alright, view across the street, downtown area. And we do indeed have a view of the pool. It's a lot more temperate here than it is where I come from in Iraq, so I find the temperature very nice here. And just a quick view of the skyline here in Amman. Not sure what this building is here across the street, but actually if we take a look, that's the Ministry of Water and Irrigation. The room from another point of view here. Again, we've got the two seats here right beside the window. Nice big king size bed. A little bit of art on the wall there. We're here to the desk setup. Computer setup again. Big TV. It's connected to the internet, so I've currently got YouTube on. And there's the mini bar and the coffee setup in that top left drawer. That's the door coming in.
I'd like to thank you for coming along with this tour of the Marriott in Amman, Jordan. I hope you found this helpful if you plan on staying there.